I was initiated into Ekpe when I returned from England. When I was young, I refused because I was too skinny, you know? And I refused because I would have been taken around the town and everybody said, I was a skinny chap and all that. So I was ashamed of my physique, so I wouldn't. But when I came back, I was initiated. And when during initiation, it was the Yamba here who initiated me personally. And then...
Which Yamba?
Ifa Johnny Yamba. He's dead now. He's dead. He initiated me personally on a Christmas day and took me and showed me Mboko. You know. There was another man who was an exponent from Ibunda. And I was shown. But immediately the Mboko sounded, I had a sort of reverberation, shivering of, spasmal shivering going through me. I knew that there was something there. I knew that there was something there. And when I left it now, I started being attracted to it. I started being attracted to it. And when I was to my father, I had a sort of vision. This is where my father lived. My father lived here. And I had a vision that suddenly this house changed to my father's house, which I demolished. I demolished it. And then I saw ahead the drumming, Ekpe drumming. I rushed to the door to shut the door. Before I could shut the door, they were already inside. You know, like Nyambo, you can't shut the door against it. He will come inside if he's a proper Nyambo. Is it not just that? He will come inside. So they came in, and my father took a seat, and Nyambo stood on the other opposite side, and suddenly my physique changed to that of a child. And the man in the Eden moved the thing, dropped it, and disappeared.
You mean the man with the Nyampe mask?
Yes, yes.
He came out and disappeared.
He just disappeared. You left the mask there.
Yes.
Then my house turned back into what it is today. But then I started seeing things. And from time to time, drumming. Ekpe proper. You know, so I felt a pull to go to my ancestral home. So I sent a message. I wanted to come.
To your ancestors' home.
My maternal ancestral home. I told you, my family name is Mukori. So at that time, I hadn't been there before. The message came back that, okay, they're expecting me. I felt that why am I going deeper and deeper into this business? So I said, well, if I come there, I just want to know the place and I spend not more than a day or a night there. The message came back to me. And no, I happen to be their son, I'm returning, and I will be in Ekpè and it will last 7 days. The last 7 days. I recoiled. And let him go back. Because Ekpè of 7 days is a serious business. I didn't want to go that far. I just wanted to know. And so I remained. But God in His wisdom helped a lot. You know, I have Ekpè all around me, you know. My grandmother is from Aruchku, Inuko. And so the ruling family there. When I took title, the Ekpè title, it was the Eze Aro, the paramount ruler of Aruchku, who sent me a magnificent Okara.
They are made there, aren't they?
Yes, they sent me one. You know, it's not, in fact, the one you tie on because it's too big. It's for the inner chamber of Ekpè. Yes.